Welcome again friends, and today we'll see a new game in JavaScript. We saw sliding puzzle game last time. Now I will show you Tic Tac Toe. Now first we will check out how it runs, and I am recording my audio in PowerSoft. It is very good tool. And now this is Tic Tac Toe game. We have penguin versus panda game.
Yay!
How the game works, and here penguin wins, and next time
Yay!
this is the sound after the penguin wins, and this is the sound
Ooh!
panda wins. Okay, so I have recorded the sounds myself from the Windows audio recorder, and that's why they may seem weird. So let's look at the code. So here the HTML and CSS not very much, so you can look here the panda and penguin. These are the two audio files, and panda penguin, these are the two images. And here is Tic Tac Toe game, and the HTML and CSS is very low here, and you can see that 80% width here is shown, orange color. And we have now penguin image, the panda image, and Tic Tac Toe written over here. You can see that it's looking awesome, and all these images are transparent images. That's why these are so well looking in the back with the background. And here I have some audio files also. Okay, so canvas I have seen written given a width of 450 pixel and height of 450 pixel because I like this length. Now we will set up the canvas and see, initially our canvas should have this hash type of symbol to start the game, and that's why we just draw these four lines. So you can see that I have used move to line to functions to draw these four lines. Okay, and the next thing I'm having is the chance is equal to 1. Actually chance will alternate between 0 and 1, and we have two players, that's why we have this chance. And play is actually the variable which stores that the game is currently on or off, the game is over or not. And this game array contains the value 0, 1 or 2. 0 signifies none of the values, 1 signifies there is a penguin, and 2 signifies there is a panda here. And you can see here I use add event listener function, use mouse down, and I'll show you how I find out the coordinates of every click. You can see on the right side the coordinates of every click are shown here. Okay, so coordinates, the click I made and the coordinates it prints on console, and I actually use them also. So this is how I use it, this is how I make it. The next thing is I will have the game only, I will update the players only if there is no player. If there is penguin inside in a box, I cannot put panda on it, I cannot uh, override it. Okay, so only if it is empty, then only I can override it. The next thing is, as soon as it is a penguin, the game will contain 1, and if it is panda, game will contain 2, and then I will draw the corresponding image. Okay, and here is the case when the player 1 wins, meaning penguin wins. If penguin wins, then 0, 1, 2 all will have the same length, all will have the same value 1 of 1, and you can see that here I am winning again this game. And you can see that this is the line after I win, this is a line made after I win. As soon as I will win, this is a line made, and which color is blue, and then I also have to write which player won. So for that I do the next 4 lines are for that. You can see penguin written over here. So, and then at last I play the audio for penguin, and actually I just copy paste the code for each horizontal 3 4 5 or 6 7. These are horizontal triplets. Next one are vertical triplets 0 3, like 0 3 6. You can see on the right side of the screen these are 0 3 6, and actually I have converted made a transformation from 3D to 2D 2D to 1D, and this is the diagonals. You can see 0 4 and 8, and everything is the same. I just have to select intelligently where to what should be coordinate of move to and what should be coordinate of line to, and everything is fine. And now everything is just copy paste of the penguin. Just remove the just change the mm, audio to panda and fill text to panda. And the last condition is for a draw game if none of them wins. If every if no of the game array is 0, this means that everyone in the array is fixed and no one has won, and this will also say that okay, the game is draw. Okay, so game is draw, and it will write the draw over it. Okay, now I can show you that these all of this functionality is present in the function called add event listener, so it is very important function. So thank you brothers, and comment for next.